one thing that you can do, because the first thing to start wearing out is going to be these Velcros here when you start unstrapping them all the time. So what I do is I always tell my patients whenever they have the mask is don't use the Velcros once you have your fitting. It's best just to grab your hooks from here, and grab it, and then just push it forward. And grab the other side, and you're gonna push it forward. And then you can just take it off. Again, this goes to the back of the head, this goes top of the head. And then whenever you're ready to put your mask back on, you already have your your sizing on your mask. So all you have to do now is just get your mask, put it on like this, and then you have your, it's already sized for you. So all you have to do is just get your hooks. And this takes practice, so you have to probably practice this in the mirror a few times. And then it's already sized for you just like that. If you need to adjust it again, you can adjust it, you know. But for the most part, it should be pretty sized up for you.